Hi viewers. In this short video, I will explain about the concepts of JIT, and the basic operations like clone, checkout, pull, commit and push. JIT is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in source code during software development. JIT is similar to Subversion, ClearCase, Mercurial, etc. We can divide the JIT repository into two parts, remote and local. Remote means the server where the repository is ideally exists. Local means the machine we use for development. Of course, as you know, we do development with the use of different branches. In this video, I use TortoiseJIT for repository operations. TortoiseJIT is a GUI interface tool for JIT. It is very easy to use. There are other similar tools available around. Now we will discuss about how to clone a repository. I have already created a repository with 3 branches. For the demo purpose, I have created this repository in my PC. Now we will make a clone of the repository. This is the URL of the repository. We will make it into local one for now. By default it will show the root branch. Say master. Let us see the branch log. We can see the commit history here. Once you click on the All Branches checkbox, you can see the history of all the branches as well. Now we will try to check out a branch. Under Remote's origin, you can see the branches available in Remote repository. We will choose branch A for now. Now checkout is done. We will do a pull as well. Pull command will bring the latest head at the remote branch to our local working tree. Latest head means the last commit that has been pushed. Now we can look at the branch commit history for branch A. Here we can see at which commit we are. Now we will see how to make some changes and commit. Make a change in the file. Choose commit from the context menu. Let us type a message for this commit. Double-click on the file to see the change we made. I use Meld to see differences. Yes. Now we have done the commit. Let us see the commit history again. The log says that the origin A is behind us. The orange color means that it is a remote branch. The red color means that it is a local branch. That means our change doesn't reach the remote. In order to make our commit reach the remote branch A, we have to do a push. We will do a push now. If you see the history again, remote and local branches are at the same commit. Hope you loved this video. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Remember to tap on the bell button to get notification of my future videos. Thank you.